Hello friends, this skin is really very nasty and very bad. This is Himalayan Neem Fresh Wash. I love this scrub. Literally I love it much better. So let's do it. Let's move it round circle wise upward. Then I will wash it and then I will go for Neem Face Wash. And I really love this purifying Neem Face Wash Himalayan. And then let me go with this, moving it upward circular motion. Use the 8 number while massaging it, then wash it with water, then dab 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 dab, and then here is after cleaning, then Biotech cucumber toner. I love this with Himalayan waters, first on the rashes or the pimples, then other part of the cheeks, then nose, forehead, then go to a neck. Very important that the dead or the dark parts that is in the neck or which we, and here is Lakme Absolute. This is very good. It gives a brightening effect to us, and it is Oriflames out day and out, and this is very normal. It's good for your skin care. I use it daily basis, and this is like transferring of BB cream or Lakme. Let me use it. It gives a brightening effect, and I don't like to use BB cream, so I'm using this. Always use the cream upward directions, and then I'm ready. Just comb your hair properly, and then I wear spectacles, so I don't really like to do something with my eyes. But now let me see which lipstick should I take. Which one? Lip pencils? No, lipstick. I took it. Pink lipsticks. I love this color. It's a simply gloss. Just something that you should use. This is very light. This is not actually nude, but it gives a gloss to your own lips, and I love this. And I think for me it's perfect. And then I am a jhumka and I'm a oxidized girl. I like to use oxidized jewelry. You may, if you like this jewelries, you may pin me. I can give you because I sell them those my own jewelry. I love this, but for me now a bindi is very much important for me. A Bengali girl or a Bong girl with a bindi, it's on top. I love the cherry on the cake. For me, this bindi is like the cherry, and it's perfect. And if you think my lips are a little bit dumb, then you can use MAC nude color, this peach nude color. I love this. One more is Ruby Kiss MAC, and that is really awesome. And this is just give the outer layer. One just simply coat. You can use it single way also if you don't want so much gloss. And I'm ready for today's just online meet, and thank you everybody for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe for much more things.
Keep watching, like and subscribe. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
watching.